Welcome back to my channel, and this is Tanya. Due to pandemic, we all are working from home. I am also a person who is working from home from last 5 months. As a person who gets distracted easily, I needed a separate space, like a dedicated space for office work. So what I did is I turned a simple desk into an office desk. So let's see how I arranged that. I just used some limited products with some DIYs. So without any delay, let's get into the video.
So this is the current situation of my table. So what I am going to do is I will remove all these things and then I will give it a good wipe with wet wipes. I am cleaning the table surface as well as the wall using wet wipes. So I am going to give a good wipe. After that I will be placing my laptop with my optical mouse so that I can decide how I can utilize the rest of the space in the table. So this is a small bottle or container which is white in color. So this I am going to use for as a pouch for my headset. So what I am going to do is I am decorating this with colorful decorative tapes. As my table is white in color, this will add some beauty to my table, like this is colorful. So after that I will be adding my headset into this. As we are working from home, we will be having meetings, so this is really needed. Along with that, I am placing a command hook and I will be hanging my Bluetooth headset to the wall. So this is a command hook. Guys, this is a really useful thing, like we can stick this to any wall and we can remove that also easily without leaving any marks on the wall. So what I am going to do is I will now fix this command hook and will hang my Bluetooth headset. So after that I will be placing a container and will add something like my Geo5 for network connection, my sticky notes, then a sanitizer and a laptop cleaning solution and a lip balm. Then I will add this beautiful glass to the table and will add all of my pencil, pen and all of the things. Now I am going to create a decor for the table. So I'm coloring this pistachio cells. The idea is to make a flower. Like these shells will act as petals of the flower. And I will be using an earbud as a stem. So at the tip of the earbud I will be coloring as magenta color, and then I will be using now I have colored this tip and I will be attaching these petals using this hot glue. So my flower is ready now. So what I am going to do now is I will be painting the stem of the flower with green color, and then I will be attaching this with old leaves that I got from the artificial flowers which I was using earlier. So So my DIY flower is almost ready. So this is my decor for the table. Then this is a organizer or with which I made with a cardboard box or shoe box, and I have wrapped up with a t-shirt, and now I am placing all the books here. Next I will be placing a command hook, and I will be adding this weekly planner over there. Next I will be adding water, a flask with hot water and a cup for drinking tea or hot water, along with some green tea bags. Yeah, so here we go. Then I am going to prepare a wall decor by using this cardboard. I will be wrapping up it with white paper and decorating like this, and I am this positive quote like just breathe. Now my wall decor is also ready. I am using a double-sided tape, and I will be attaching this to a wall. So my wall decor is also ready. Then I am using this cardboard piece to store my phone charger as well as laptop charger, and I am placing it underneath my table. So almost everything needed for a office work is ready now. This is the final look. This is very simple look. I have created this with some DIYs. That's it, guys.
If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and please share it with your friends. And please subscribe to my channel. While subscribing, don't forget to press that bell icon for getting notifications while I am uploading new videos. So that's it, guys. Stay happy, stay healthy. Bye.